welcome back to our channel. Our topic for today is about two-point perspective drawing. We are going to create a two-point perspective view drawing of our subject working from plan and elevation view. Okay, so here are the steps. Step 1, we have here the plan view, side elevation, front elevation, rear view, and the isometric. Two-point perspective drawing, step number 2. The first line to draw will be the picture plane. Here is the picture plane in the pink line. And step number 3, place the lower right corner of plan view on the picture plane and rotate it clockwise. The choice is 30 degrees, arbitrary but should provide a good view. So here is the 30 degrees. And the opposite side, it is 60. You should rotate your plan here. Okay. Now let's continue. Okay, now you draw your station point. This vertical line is called the station point. And then you add now your ground line. This is color orange, and the color blue is the horizon. The ground line helps you where to put your perspective. Okay, so here is the ground line. So your side elevation must be put on top of the ground line. And notice the station point. You will project line going to the picture plane. That is 60 degrees, and 30 degrees going to the left. That is point A, and that point A will be projected down here in the blue, the horizon line, and this will be your what we call vanishing point 1, and the B projected down to the blue horizon line, this will be your vanishing point 2. Okay, listen carefully guys, it's now getting complicated. So left vanishing point and right vanishing point is number 2, vanishing point 2. LVP is vanishing point 1. Now it's time to project your side elevation into the station point here. And then the height, notice the height of this is equivalent to the height here in the elevation. And you will project that to the LBP or vanishing point 1. Same at the right, the vanishing point 2 project 2 lines, orthogonal lines, to the vanishing point 2 or the right vanishing point RVP that lies on the horizon line. Okay, and let's go to the next move. Now, lines are getting complicated now. From station point, you project 2 orthogonals to point A, this corner, and to point B at this corner. And also project here in the perspective another orthogonal lines here going to the left and here going to the right. Now we can see almost clearly the view of the rectangular block right here guys. Okay, now let's now put corners here. And we subtracted portion from rectangular block to show what is the shape in this elevation. This look like a letter L, so letter L here, like that. Okay, now let's take a look at the plan view. There is a square part here, and that is open, and that will be projected going down here, so that your perspective object will have the same shape as the plan view or the top view. Okay, so we're trying to locate the rectangular opening here as what we see in the letter B. Okay, so next step, now we are drawing object line to show the real shape of the isometric object. Well, that's all for today about the 2-point perspective. Please don't forget to subscribe and make comments. Okay guys, here are the questions for you to answer on a piece of white bond paper, and send your soft copy to our Google email, and keep the hard copy on the brown envelope to be collected couples of weeks from now. Okay, number 1 question: what must a 2-point perspective drawing include? That's a crazy question. Why was the incorporation of accurate perspective important to the advancement of art? Number 3, why do designers use 2-point perspective drawings? Number 4, what are the rules of 2-point perspective? Number 5, what angle is 2-point perspective? What are the 3 types of perspective drawing? Number 6, how do you draw a room in 2-point perspective? How do you draw shape in 2-point perspective? Crazy questions, guys. What are the elements of perspective drawing? Well, this is a good question. Why do we need perspective drawing? And how important is perspective drawing? Okay, just send your answer to our Google email classroom. By the way, don't forget to subscribe and make a comment for your attendance. I'll see you in our next video. Thank you.